going to teach you how to construct a CPA affiliate marketing website in literally 10 minutes, where you'll be giving away things like PlayStations, TVs, phones, and other sorts of gift cards for up to $1,000. Funny thing is, you don't have to own anything. You'll just be redirecting your audience and keeping your commission. If someone signs up using your website, you might earn up to $35. And this is done using completely free software, so you don't need to worry about you paying a dime. So please, like the video, and let's begin. Step 1. To start the process, head on over to offervault.com. This site provides a wide variety of free giveaways and sweepstakes. As you can see, they show you exactly what is being given away, and they provide their own affiliate links to those giveaways, which people go to and enter. And when they enter those giveaways, OfferVault gets a commission. You'll be doing exactly the same thing. So to begin, select Sweepstakes in the category drop-down menu. Then just scroll down and browse through all of these different sites offering all sorts of items. The next thing you'll need to do is sign up for all of these various websites that are offering their giveaways. This will let you promote their giveaways with your own affiliate links. This will probably take you half an hour or an hour to complete. What this giveaway is gathering people's information and is willing to pay you for it since they will retarget them and sell them more things. Step 2. So let's start by making our own website, shall we? For that, we will need to use Google Sheets. Once you're in, click to create a blank Google Sheet. When you do that, you'll be sent to a page that looks like this. Start by making 3 or 4 headers, like the category of the sweepstake, the prize, or the sweepstake itself, the country availability, and the link. So after you join up for these various sweepstakes giveaway websites and have the affiliate link, you need to put them in here. Your job here is to add in as many legitimate giveaways as you can. One way to do that is by selecting a giveaway item from your list that you've gathered so far and look it up on offervault.com. This way you can get many of the same type of items, with the only difference being that they will be available in different countries. This will be better for you because if someone who isn't from the United States comes across your website, they can have other options to choose from, depending on their country. So remember to have many different giveaways for each country. So just continue on filling your Google Sheets form in a neat and organized way. Step 3. Once you've completed your Google Sheet, exactly as I have here, what you want to do is come over to this website called spreadsimple.com. This is a completely free website that will allow you to host a giveaway website, which is exactly what we want. They do offer a pro version over here, but you don't need it. You can switch to this once you start earning very excellent money online, which you will. So, what you want to do from here is sign up using your email account. Then, after you've logged in, the website will look something like this. From here, under the My Website title, press the box with the plus sign. This is where you want to build your fresh new website. For here, it will ask you for the Google Sheet that we just made. So this is where you will put your Google Sheets link. Now, I'll teach you how to obtain a Google Sheets from link. First, you'll need to enable sharing on your Google Sheet. Click the Share button in the top right-hand corner. In the Get Link panel, set your spreadsheet file to be visible to anyone with the link. And then you want to copy this link. Now, come back to the Spread Simple website, enter your link, and click to continue. When you click on Continue, this template will be created immediately for you that you can customize to your liking. Sure, it's a little messy right now, but most of the settings here are self-explanatory, and I'm sure you can figure most of these out by looking at them. Even so, let's just quickly run down these steps so you can get a little inspiration. Basically, the headings that we made on the Google Sheet will be used here. So to start, on the left side of your screen, under the title, select Sweepstakes or Giveaways, whatever you wrote your heading as. Next, under the subtitle, select Country Available. Under the price section, select Category. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll come across this button saying Buy. Now, you know the people we are targeting down want to buy anything, they just want to join some giveaways. So change it to something like Sign Up or Join, whichever you prefer. As you can see, you can also change the color of the sign, so just put in anything that looks aesthetically pleasing to you. Now, this is pretty much all that you might need to do, but none of this is set in stone. This is just the way I thought looked best. You can mess around with the settings, the titles, and pretty much come up with your own great design. Another amazing thing about this website is that it will apply this exact same preset to every single one of your entries on the Google Sheet, so you don't really have to do any other settings by yourself. What you should do, however, is to add beautiful looking banner that make people think that this website here is great and legit. Step 4. And you can do exactly that with this amazing website that I'm sure most of you know about, and that is canva.com. So in order to make this, head on over to Canva and sign up. Next, click on a new design and select the appropriate resolution, usually 1280 by 720. Now, to your left, there will be a lot of templates that you can use. You need to choose the one that looks really good on your website and that can take some trial and error, but I'm sure you can figure it out. Once you have a good template, change its text to something more suited to your website. Something like win free prizes, enter a sweepstake giveaways for free, or something else along those lines. You can also download some free images of things like PlayStation 5S, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, televisions, mobile phones, you know the drill. This will add another layer of intrigue and excitement in your viewers' minds, and they'll want to sign up even more. Once you have the perfect looking banner, add it in your website, and let's move on with setting it up. Going back to tab, you can see you have two different themes. You can select black, or you can choose white as well. Then if you scroll down, you'll see the display header, and then you have homepage content and a homepage intro. There's not really a need for any of this because we just made an exciting looking banner on Canva. But if you want to add something here, it's all up to you. After that, you can just click Save, and you're pretty done with your website. The second thing you want to do, which is extremely crucial, is to modify your domain name, since you don't want to have these numbers. Because domain names like these are usually associated with scams and unjust practices. But what we are doing is completely legal affiliate marketing. So just think up a cool domain name and enter it in, and boom, you're done with your website. Step 5. Okay. So now you have completely clean looking and original website that is ready to go. But how will you get any traffic to this site? Well, one of the finest methods to get started with this is to start marketing right away with social media websites. Let's start off with Facebook, which I found to be incredibly useful. Basically, what you want to do is look for something like sweepstakes in the search box up here. In the filter section, select groups. Now you'll see all of these various sorts of groups. When you scroll down, you'll see that many of them are public. You also have private groups which you should join as well. Once you're in these groups, post something like, check out this incredible website with over 20 different giveaways. You may join in a couple of minutes, so come on over, or something like that. Attach a link of your website and post it here. You're going to want to do this in as many groups as you can, and you should be good to go. Another place where you can promote your website that works amazingly well is Pinterest. All you need to do is search for sweepstakes and take inspiration from all these various sorts of posts. People will click on it because they want to enter the contest. They want the freebies. They want these gift cards, these PlayStations, these televisions, you name it. And you can also make these posts. All you need is Canva, and I showed you how to use it earlier in this video. Just make some compelling designs and add a link whenever you post these pins on Pinterest. You can also search for PayPal gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and other forms of gift cards and see how many people are generating pins on these and smashing it. And you can do the same. Just take inspiration from these guys. Don't copy their designs. You have incredible tools at your disposal that can help you make millions. So if you want to create an absolutely free CPA affiliate marketing website, all you need to do is follow the instructions in this video to get started. If you're interested in learning more, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.